almighty. Hello.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Looks new.
There you go. Doing some studying stuff tomorrow. I did today. She kind of stuff during the Monday. I'll take today. Not tomorrow. My brother's doing tomorrow though. Yeah. He's starting at the same time as today, so feel free to force him into some piloting work.
I'm starting at 8 tomorrow.
Alright.
But at the garage, because I'm in here.
Alright.
And then I'll finish before finish the evening.
Alright.
Sounds like Hoover.
Huh? Did you even know this was out here?
Yeah, it's not logged in on the viewer finder.
It's old roots.
Yeah, D8. This is from 64.
Yeah.
I like it
It's
on.
got 64 in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, comparing with the same route.
64.
Nah, this is for the first time it's changing. I mean, I might have known this exact. I ran all the time on D8, but I don't go D8 for a little while ago. But I just get CDs on D7 when I go out somewhere.
Off here, then here. You don't want to be going in the Blackwall Tunnel because if you do that, this will become a single decker.
That's true. It's not. I think.
And you turn
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. If some of the double deckers can go through Blackwall Tunnel, it was a Pakistan president went through that tunnel on a Google map.
Wait, what, really?
Yeah.
Huh?
Imagine if D6 was Go Ahead London from 4 years ago, they could have put the Scanias, but they didn't. It's still single decker all the time since Go Ahead London. They didn't want to put double decker, but in some point they in CT Plus awarded started to have decks on like the Val Forger C, and they started to put AGA ones as well. Now I even caught one as well.
It's 2600 now.
Yeah, sometimes it's like that in East London.
This route a couple months ago as well.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I had because Metro I was subcontracted on this service like they are as now as well. I had a VMH at Greenford Garage.
Oh, alright. Oh, the one that does 282 and 92.
607 maybe.
Yeah. I like them F-Rossettis as well. They're really nice, but I got one early in the morning since it was foggy at Stepney Group. Got it on the 25.
Yeah, he's another one that likes buses.
Yeah, it's me.
You're catching different stuff on the DL-6 I presume today.
Yeah.
Is this your first bus?
This one.
Yeah.
Any of these Metrobus or former, same thing. I know the Zac on a DA as well. Never been on a 64. Since it happened, I just felt shocked and I'm like, oh, it's on D8. I thought D8 was going to use the General 2, but since they were converted.
It is now though.
But mostly you find it on the D7.
How did you get interested in buses?
Me?
Well, to be
long
fair,
time.
It's been for a long time. The way I like to describe it is that when people are young, they all seem to have some sort of interest in the transport.
True.
It just stays.
I also start to like coaches as well, like Gateno, Levante.
Right here, then get off, and not this one, but next. Essentially, because that's closed, they can change it back. Fucking all my little Tesla.
Yes, love it. Oh, it's still there.
Gave a sign to say go this way for Cantal, so he just put in a new sign.
1138.
Then go left at these lights. Literally, I didn't even know that exit was shut. I was about to take you down there and then it was shut, so we'll stop nowhere along this road either, just keep going until we get back up to Canning Town.
Canning Town's just down the left. Just before the bridge.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
You see the red building?
Yeah. I know whereabouts it is from here because number 5 goes down there, doesn't it? We apologise for this slight delay. The Wood Slip Road was shut, so we had to take a different way.
Whoa. 115-474 on 11032, and we've got an Notting Sarahs. Managed to catch this one for the first time,
We had basically
as we're the wrong way.
right,
Oh,
no, round there, then round there, then left. Left into this bus station.
you heard about Flax and Elites? There's 309 on about 200. This is
And
very...
then the bus stop at the end. Finally in Canning Town.
Yeah.
This bus is now calling it parking only. Parking only.
Look at 3 of them.